घेतला
ॲक्च्युली ॲप्लिकेशन ग्रांट झाला आणि जजान ते आमचं बेल ॲप्लिकेशन ग्रांट केला पण थोडे कंडिशन्स घातल्या जसे की श्युरिटी आसा ती 15,000ची आणि बेल बॉन्ड 15,000चो आणि त्याच्या फुडें आनिकूय बेल कंडिशन्स घातल्या जसे की त्याने डेली त्या पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर 8 दीस येवपाचे फ्रॉम 10 to 1 आणि ती पंचायत आसा पळय थंयसर 2 म्हयने ताणें वचपाचें न्हू फ्रॉम द डेट ऑफ हिज रिलीज सो दॅट इज एंड यू शूड नॉट रिपीट सच इन्सिडेंट इन फ्युचर आणि अलॉंग विथ दीस आर मेनी अदर कंडिशन्स विच हॅज बीन इम्पोज सो दॅट कॅन बी सीन इन द ऑर्डर.
पोलिसांनी कितें गाडी सीज करपा खातीर कितें मागलेलें कितें
तेंच्यांनी तशें क्लेम केल्ले बट ते हे करूंक ना तशें काय
ऑर्डर दिली
ना तशें काय जावंक तेंच्यांनी म्हटलेलें की गाडी सीज करपाक जाय बट तशें काय जावंक ना.
ओके
ओके सो सध्या ती बेल ग्रांट आसा
बेल ग्रांटेड आसा हय आतां ते फॉर्मेलिटीज करपाक जाय आनी ताका मागीर रिलीज करून देतात.
ओके
थँक्यू
बरें.
मैडम आप कुछ कहना चाहते हो कि फाइनली ही गॉट अ
हाँ,
बेल.
मैं कुछ कहना चाहती हूँ और मैंने कुछ पॉइंट्स भी बनाए थे पहले. व्हाट आई फील इज़ कि द जॉब ऑफ द मीडिया इज़ टू स्टेट द फैक्ट्स. अभी तक मुझे टाइम नहीं मिला था पढ़ने के लिए कि डिफरेंट लोगों ने क्या बोला है अबाउट दिस केस, बट द जॉब ऑफ द मीडिया इज़ जस्ट टू स्टेट द फैक्ट्स. I came across these things. He's a real estate agent. Gaurav Bakshi is not a real estate agent. He's a founder of a startup called Helpdesk. He's a social activist. He's an actor. So no, he's not a real estate agent. He's a habitual offender. I don't know how you can say he's a habitual offender. The 4 FIRs that you have sort of listed, they all have been quashed by the High Court. But yes, he's a social activist, so he will always get into situations where there will be complaints against him that why is he saying what he's saying. In all the videos I saw, जो पंचायत के initial videos थे and all where they said 100 people gathered together to say Gaurav Bakshi को arrest करो. In the video you can say 15 to 20 people and the same set of people I see in that video. Then they said yesterday or day before there were 600 people at the Kolwale police station. There were around 100 people that I could see, and again the same set of people. And this whole circus that has been created around this news can really be avoided. Please, we are citizens who are doing what we are doing, and he is standing up for the right things. At least verify your facts before you put all this information out. This burning effigies of Gaurav Bakshi. I mean, are you that immature that you don't know what you're कि ऐसे भी तो करता है क्या आज के टाइम में? At least be mature. If someone has said something, fine, the police is doing their job, the court is doing their job, but there is no need for all this circus around it. And one more thing I want to say. In this country where the Prime Minister of the country says कि मैं आपका प्रधान सेवक हूँ, right? I'm your prime servant. The ministers of this state act completely different. You are not the Pradhan Sevak. You are coming across as goons who are harassing genuine people. So I think this really needs to stop. And my request, my sincere request to the media is, please verify your facts when you're talking about a person and their family. Yeah?
Madam, you think the topic was dragged by this thing locals and all?
I'm not saying the topic was dragged by the locals. The locals were instigated to understand one side of the story and act on that story. I'm sure it's not possible for them to verify. If my friend comes and says, I will trust their version of the story. But at least understand who these people are. Is he a gunda who's doing something nonsense and then he's coming and troubling you? थोड़ा सा आप भी सोचिए about that person that you are trying to talk about. You know, it really impacts us and our families.
So you want to say something on minister?
Sorry?
You want to say something on minister? What has happened?
No,
What
I
is?
don't want to say anything about the minister. I mean, I just feel that if you are the representative of people, please have the maturity to at least, do that role with a certain sense of responsibility and not create unnecessary ruckus. There are more important issues in the state which need to be addressed. You know, there is the potholes on the road everywhere. There is education issue. We don't have great institutes here. There is lawlessness on other land conversions and all that are happening. So all you want to do is just wishy-wash, put this one Goan Gaurav Bakshi who's a non-Goan and outsider and who's come to destroy your peace. I mean, really, is that what we've come to in today's time? in a time where everybody has enough information on social media, right? You know the facts, but why are you creating this noise and dodging from the real issues that the state is facing? That's my thing.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.